In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of other devices on Roblox remotely. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you had logged your Roblox account, maybe in a cyber cafe or using another person's device or a computer, and you'd like to go ahead and log out without having access of that device, it's pretty simple. You can do it with your current gadget. To do this, go ahead and using your smartphone or your personal computer, log into your account and then go ahead and tap on more options here. And from here, scroll down until you see this option called settings. Under settings, head to security option and this will take you to this page. Go ahead and scroll down, and down below you should be able to see where you are logged in, and this will show all the sessions or currently logged in places with your account. Currently, I only have this session and it is here. However, if you have other sessions, you can go ahead and log out of other sessions and the accounts on those devices will be logged out. Now from here, you will only remain with this session on your current gadget. So that's how you can log out of other devices on your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.